Maybe it's just a hole.
Oh, there's no seagrass here. There's no seagrass. Right here. There's no seagrass. Let's try to go over there.
Let's go inside the seagrass.
Let's go inside the seagrass.
Yeah,
Okay.
be careful.
Oh my God.
There might be a mumu here inside.
No.
We're looking for a mumu.
No, we're looking for a starfish.
Yeah.
Careful.
Yeah, there might be a sea urchin.
Oh no.
Be
Wait,
careful.
I'm gonna look for a place without seagrass so I can see what's in it. Bye-bye, you're staying there. Where to pick it up? Where to pick it
I think it is trash.
Oh, okay. Okay. Let's continue. Let's continue walking.
Yeah, I'll show you this something here.
Ay, ay, ay.
There's something here.
What about?
Here. I'll show you.
Oh.
Look, bump on me. Wow.
What is this?
Urchin.
Ay! That's an urchin? I thought that was a sea anemone.
There's an urchin. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get
Right here. The urchin?
Yeah, but it's stuck. It won't move.
I never seen a sea urchin.
Yeah, but this is a small one.
Wait, there's bigger ones?
Yeah.
Oh, it's the
You touch it, Oli.
No, I don't want to touch it.
Look,
Yeah.
it's so spiky.
No, I don't want to
It doesn't
touch
hurt.
it.
The black ones, the black sea urchins that have long kuan. Is, dali, is. Move here, move here.
Wait, I'm gonna try to go.
Yeah.
Ah, urchin!
Yeah. Be careful. The water is so cool. Lisa, wait. Here, stand up. Huh? Where do you want to go? Over there? Let's explore more. Come here, Is. Here, on this part. Keep. I see urchin. Go back to the dry land. Where you lock your slipper. A deadly sea urchin. This one, the black one with the very long thorns. Look,
Oh, wait, I see it. I see that urchin.
Don't touch that, ha. Don't ever touch that. Don't touch that, okay? It will sting your hand. It will sting chin only. There, near that rock.
I see it.
It's color black. Very long thorns. Look, someone put it here. Look, only, oh.
No, I don't want it. Scare it. I want it. I don't want to see urchin.
But not the very bad thingy. Here, oh.
Oh no, don't touch.
This is alright to touch only this one. Look, Oli. It's moving. Look, it's moving in the hand. I'll just put it back. Okay. Yeah, it's in back in the water now. Let's go there pa in the unahan. Look at this, Oli. Yes, look at this. It looks like a balloon. This one. What's this one? This one.
What? Let me see.
It looks like a balloon.
Oh,
Maybe this is called
no.
a sea sponge. Look.
No, that's not SpongeBob.
Yeah.
It doesn't look like a sea sponge. It doesn't look like SpongeBob.
Where?
Look, hello.
Where?
Right there.
Oh, there. They have a starfish in their feet. Na, nagani sila yung fish ati, oh. Na, ilang sudlan na. Look.
Oh, that's
Luis, look.
Luis, look.
It will not bite.
She's got that harness. Oh, I touch you. Hey, Bata, why are you looking exploring?
Yeah.
Oh, don't touch
Bisaya
it.
na sila. Look.
No, wait, what?
Hold it, hold it.
No, I don't want to hold it.
Hold it.
No, I don't
So
want
that-
to.
So that dili ka ma-ignorante, Oli.
No.
It will not hurt. You just feel. Feel.
No
ah.
way, no way. No. I think I see it. I see the hermit crab. No, don't touch it. Don't touch it.
No, it
Don't
doesn't
touch the
bite.
hermit crab.
Wait, it's gone. It doesn't move na. Ah, here it is. It's a small one.
Put it in the water.
Look, I'll put it back, ha. Put it here. Look, it's moving. Yeah.
I want to
Come
go
on.
back. Whee! Whee!
Please subscribe to the Momors Dakidos.
Subscribe to our channel.
Yeah.